Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at the internal stakeholders section within the Opportunities app in KEBS. Once the user navigates to the Opportunities application, he or she can click on the required opportunity from the landing page. The details view of the opportunity is displayed. The Internal Stakeholders tab can be viewed by clicking on the Internal Stakeholders section. The process of raising a resource request from an opportunity will be covered in another tutorial video. The existing team members are present once the section is opened. The new team members can be added to the opportunity by clicking on the Add Members button. Once the form is displayed, search for the team member and specify the designation for the same. Once done, click the Add button for the team member to be added. The user can add multiple team members in one go as well. Once done, all the added members and their details are present in the Stakeholders tab. Thank you for watching.